Lab automation is often bought for a specific application, an assay to be scaled up, or a process that is particularly labour intensive for scientists. But then projects move on, science moves on, and that lab automation can't keep up. It starts to collect dust. That's because a lot of science just is changeable. To get the most value from it, we need to make it accessible directly to scientists. But automation software is built for those experienced in automation. It's super programmable and flexible, but it's overwhelming for scientists who want to describe their science in a way that makes sense to them. This means scientists can't jump in and quickly plan out or tweak automation. They need time to learn, or they need an engineer's support. Instead, they'll often reach for the pipette. It's just faster, and forget the automation altogether. If we want automation to be a core part of the scientific process, we need to enable scientists to use it directly. I want to share how we're approaching this briefly. Briefly is a translation tool. It understands the constraints of your automation system and has an understanding of the underlying science. This means it can translate the intent of a scientist onto the automated system it has access to. Let's walk through an example. This lab has access to a standalone liquid handler. Allowed steps, labware, and parameter ranges have all been defined ahead of time by those who set up the automation. These steps are validated before they're exposed to scientists, ensuring their transfers and liquid handling will actually work as intended. Now, the scientist selects which system they want to use and enters what they want to do using their own language. Briefly, we'll draft the protocol, building it up based on those validated steps in a clear format that makes it easy to find any incorrect details. Labware is assigned, pipetting steps are visualized and can be customized by the scientist after the protocol is drafted. Once Briefly and the scientists are happy with the plan, it's good to go. Deck layouts are generated automatically, so scientists know how to set up the system and get it running. Once ready, clicking Run sets up the protocol through vendor software to get the robots moving. If you're looking to get more out of your lab automation, let's have a chat.